Come test drive the 2019 Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, compass, heated steering wheel, electronic stability control, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, remote keyless entry, tachometer, Sirius Satellite Radio, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console, rear view camera. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.